and do not call me again.
There's gotta be a better way than this.
Well, there is, and it's from using AI agents like this.
If you recently inherited a property,
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI lead generation agent that you can sell to businesses relying on old school methods like cold calling and door knocking for $1,000 or more per month. It's only going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. So the strategy is super simple. We're going to find real estate investors and we're going to help them generate more leads and appointments with software and our AI agent. And then we're going to make $75 every time our system produces an appointment. And this is what I've been doing for the past 5.5 years. And I took my business to over $20,000 per month using this exact same system. So if you want to clone my exact business model, you can get my step-by-step course as well as all of my templates completely for free. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll send you over a private link to get everything for free. You can actually see this is a testimonial from one of my paying clients who got 10 leads under contract within the past few weeks from the system I'm going to be showing you. And then this is Tony, somebody that I taught how to duplicate this model, who got his first client in the first week using this exact strategy. So let me show you how to do it. So step number 1 is we want to find a real estate investor on Google Maps. So real estate investors are looking for what's called motivated sellers. They're looking for people who want to sell their property fast for a variety of reasons. So if we go to Google Maps, we can just type something in like "we buy houses for cash" and then an area like Las Vegas, Nevada. And you can see here we have a bunch of different websites that we can reach out to. And if I just click on this one right here and I open up their website right here, we're going to be able to pretty easily find some sort of info to reach out to this company. And so once we find the company we're going to reach out to, we're going to send them an email like this. I can get you more appointments with motivated sellers in Vegas. I'm so confident it'll work that you'll only pay for qualified appointments you actually speak with. No setup fees, no contracts, just $75 per call or in-person appointment with a real seller. And you only pay after I get you the first appointment. Want to test it out? And this is a no-brainer offer. We're super direct with them by telling them what we can do for them. We've removed almost all the risk, and we've tied our offer to what they actually want, which is a real conversation with a real seller. And then we tell them that they're only going to pay after we get them the first appointment. So once we get them to say yes, here's how we're going to get them results. So we're going to be running paid ads for them on Facebook, and we're going to use an AI avatar to actually bring in the leads. So the website I like using is called trycaptions.com. Once we go there, we literally just click on the AI creators button. We click on prompt to video, and then we're just going to type in a super simple prompt like this. And then the system will generate a script, and then we can choose an AI avatar. So I'm going to go with this one since the outputs are really good. And here's the final video.
If you own a distressed property and need to sell fast, listen to this.
Now that we have our ad video, now it's time to run the ad and start generating the business leads. So I'm going to go into this software here called Go High Level, and I already have a bunch of these different ad templates that I've used over the past 5.5 years. And so if I wanted to target Vegas, I'm just going to find the Nevada template. So here it is. I click on select, and then I put in the daily budget that's paid by the actual investor. And I actually have other strategies you can use to get investors leads for free in case they don't want to spend the ads. Inside of Go High Level, this system will automatically generate a website. So you can just put in the URL there. And then we just fill in this price point here so that it shows up in the ad. Next, we choose where we want to run the ads. So I'm going to click on Vegas here. And now I'm going to add my video to this ad. I'll click on the pencil here, then just click on Upload Media and upload it. And I just uploaded a sample ad because I didn't want it to take too long, but you can see this is actually an AI ad right here, and there's the ad preview. And then all we have to do is click on Launch Campaign, and in about 60 seconds, the ad is already published. And then we can see our different ads right here and right here. And then what's cool is we can preview the ad, and you'll see that the software automatically generates a lead qualifying form. So we can get all this information from the seller. Then once they fill this out, they click continue. And then Facebook will auto capture their full name, phone number, and email. And they click submit. And then as soon as they fill out this form, I have this automation here. And it basically captures all the information they submitted on their form once they submit that lead form. And then you can see here we add them to a workflow. And that workflow will send them follow-up text messages and emails to get them to engage. And then once they engage, I have an AI chatbot set up designed to book them into appointment. So it's not like we're just contacting these people out of nowhere. They've raised their hand, shown interest, and now the bot is just taking them to the finish line and getting them in contact with our investor client. So you can see here it's asking me a bit about the condition of the home. And a lot of the time, the people that need to sell these homes for cash have properties that are trashed. They're filled with junk. There's people inside them, like tenants, maybe not paying the rent. So there's all kinds of crazy situations. You can see here it's now asking, why do you want to sell your home? And keep in mind too, you can change any of these questions just by changing the text. I have the prompt right here. So if I want to remove some questions or add any, I can just shuffle those around. It's super easy. You can see I went through the rest of the bot as well. And then the last stage is basically getting the person to book an appointment. So I'm just going to say 9:30 a.m. And then just like that, this system will be able to book an appointment all via text. And just like that, we've now set up the investor with a real motivated seller. Just so you guys can see how powerful this business model is, this is maybe 15% of the ad spend that I've ever managed. I've been running ads for the past 8 years. You can see here's $340,000 of advertising spend with an average cost per lead of $44. I've generated 7,591 leads. And like I said, this is literally just a small percentage of the clients I've tracked through this software. So that's the power of selling leads to businesses. So like I said earlier, if you're interested in cloning this exact business model, just like, comment, subscribe, and I will send you over a private link so you can check out my free course on how to do this. And hopefully, as you learn the methods and the strategy, you then partner up with me and join my exclusive group where we go more in detail on people running this business model. See you in the next video and talk to you then. Bye-bye.